The 2026 Volvo S90 upholds Volvo's legacy of offering Scandinavian luxury, advanced safety features, and innovative technology within a refined executive sedan design. The newly redesigned S90, equipped with enhanced features, presents a strong option within the premium midsize sedan category. The exterior of the 2026 S90 presents a more polished and sophisticated silhouette, characterized by sharper LED headlights, a prominent front grille showcasing the iconic Volvo iron mark, and streamlined body lines. The rear has been thoughtfully reimagined with elegant new taillights and a refined bumper, elevating its sophisticated allure. The S90 is anticipated to feature various powertrains, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged mild hybrid engine that generates approximately 295 horsepower, as well as a premium plug-in hybrid T8 Recharge, capable of producing up to 455 horsepower with an electric-only range of around 50 miles, 80 kilometers. All-wheel drive comes standard in the higher trims, providing assured handling across various weather conditions. The interior of the 2026 S90 showcases a significant advancement with a completely digital cockpit. A broad continuous LED display spans the dashboard, merging the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a cohesive and advanced interface. The infotainment system operates on the most recent Google-based operating system, featuring integrated Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. The cabin features premium materials such as Napa leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents, contributing to an elegant and tranquil environment. Safety remains a top priority with Volvo. The 2026 S90 features the newest version of Volvo's Pilot Assist, a semi-autonomous driving system, complemented by advanced collision avoidance technology, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and cross-traffic alert systems. The anticipated pricing for the base model of the 2026 Volvo S90 is approximately $58,000, whereas the premium plug-in hybrid variant may reach $75,000 or higher, contingent upon customization and optional packages. The 2026 Volvo S90 exemplifies a refined combination of sophistication, strength, and advanced technology. The S90, featuring a refined interior, cutting-edge safety technologies, and efficient powertrains, continues to be an excellent option for individuals in search of a contemporary executive sedan that embodies classic Scandinavian elegance.